Hello and welcome to Easy Digital Art. If you're new here, I use Office Shapes to create art. I also offer tips in PowerPoint, Word, and Excel. I notice I have a lot of followers from India. Thank you very much, Abhar. Today I'm going to show you how to make a viewing bar for your Word documents. It just makes looking at the font when you're reading a little bit easier. So let's begin. I'm going to go and show some text, just any kind of text that I have in Word. And now we're going to create the viewing bar. And the nice thing about the viewing bar is you can stop anywhere. If you take a break, you know where you left off, especially if you have a lot of text. I'm going to go Insert, Shapes. I'm going to choose a rectangle with the rounded corners. I'm just going to go Shape Fill, Yellow, Shape Outline. I'm going to make that black, and I'm going to make it a little bit thicker. Let's just make it 2 1/4 for now. I'm going to change it to fixed position. And I'm going to change the dimensions as well. So this will be, let's just say 1.87. And this will be about 36.28. You can use 1.8 by 36 or whatever you feel is suitable for you. So now we have the bar. Okay, so the other step now, as you can see, it covers up the text. So we're going to click on the bar and go right click, go send to back, and then send behind text. Now you can have the bar in front of the text. Next step is just a little bit of cleanup. Shape effects, bevel. We're going to choose the fourth one, the slant. Give it some contour. I'm also going to go click here and go into Format Shape. And for that, I'm going to go into the second icon, into the bevel, 3D, and then so the bevel is here, which we just set. This is 13. We're going to set that to 13, and then 6, which it already has, which is good. Okay, and then translucent material is what we're going to select for the material. Okay, and that's going to be powder. This personal preference. Lighting. I'm going to go to lighting. I'm going to choose soft. Soft is here. Okay, for the lighting angle, I'm going to select 60. Okay, close that. So now, as you move the reading bar over the text, you can see it's a little bit more clear, and you know where you left off. And that's it. Thanks for watching.